Hi there, Laura Wilson from Goldstar Work here. Welcome to my daily painting exercises. In these exercises we'll have a half-hour time limit and we're practicing different skills to support my studio pieces. So I might be practicing lighting effects, or I might be practicing composition or colour schemes, or I'll be painting something that I haven't painted before in support of doing my studio pieces. So it's a really good way to get warmed up in the morning for painting and also to practice the skills needed so that I can improve my painting. So I hope you'll join me. Let's go get painting. Now I've got some leaves here that I'm going to be practicing on for this daily painting. These are oak leaves that I've collected from our tree. I'm just shining a light on them to show how the light catches on them. Now today I'm going to be practicing an oak leaf, and I'm going to be concentrating on trying to do the light effects on the leaf for this daily painting in preparation for adjusting the lights on my leaf for my studio piece. So let's get going. So I've set my timer for 30 minutes. So it's just as well that I had the timer on then, because I could have stayed there and fiddled with that for a really long time. And I would have spent all my painting time doing that leaf and not getting any other of my painting done. But the idea is just to quickly do a painting and get the general idea of it. So as I go through the week, I'll do a few more leaves and get a better feel for it. But I made a good start, and I think as I go along during the week and do a few more leaf studies, I'll get better at doing those leaves in a less fiddly way. I'm not that happy with that one, but it's getting some shape and I'm getting the light on it, but I'm not liking it that much. And that's all for our daily painting exercise today. So I hope you get your paints out and do some painting too. Even if it's only half an hour, it's better than no painting at all. So I will see you all later. Bye.